Dear students, in this part I am going to explain about some indicators and neutralization and formation of salts. China rose indicator. It is a natural indicator. Now the properties of China rose indicator. First, acids turn China rose indicator to magenta or deep pink. Second, the bases turn China rose indicator to green. Now the phenolphthalein indicator. It is a synthetic or man-made indicator. The properties of phenolphthalein indicators are: 1. It is colorless in an acidic medium. Second, it turns pink in a basic medium. Now I am going to explain about the neutralization and formation of salts. So first of all, we come to the neutralization reaction. The reaction in which an acid reacts with a base to form salt and water is called a neutralization reaction. During neutralization, the acid and base cancel the effect of each other. It can be represented as when acid combines with a base to form salt and water. The salt formed during a neutralization reaction depends on which acid and which base are reacted with each other. For example, sodium hydroxide is a base and hydrochloric acid is an acid. So, when sodium hydroxide is treated with hydrochloric acid, then a neutralization reaction takes place to form sodium chloride and water. Here, sodium hydroxide, which is a base, when reacts with hydrochloric acid, which is an acid, then it will form sodium chloride, which is a salt, and water is formed. Now the naming of salts. First, the salts of sulfuric acid is called sulfates. The salt of hydrochloric acid is called chlorides. Third, the salts of nitric acid are called nitrates. Fourth, salts of sulfurous acid are called sulfides. Fifth, salts of carbonic acid is called carbonates. Salts of acetic acid are called acetates. Now the properties of salts. There are three properties of salts which are given below. First, the salts are formed through the reactions between acids and bases. It means when the acids and bases combine with each other to form salts. Second, most of the salts are readily soluble in water. Third, salts do not conduct electricity in their solid state. However, the molten salts and the solution of salts in water conduct electricity. Thank you for watching my video.